Okay guys, ang tagal nyo nang nire-request sa akin na silipin ko tong si Love It X Junahan. Ngayon ko lang talaga siya nasilip guys. Pero one thing's for sure, this loan app is legit. I know, akala ko joke dahil nakita ko Junahan, one hand. And then nung nakita ko WeFund, ano to? Totoo ba to? And they confirmed that it is legit. And with this access card or with this new pautang product by WeFund, which is kapatid pala ni One Hand, you can get a credit limit of up to 200,000 pesos. But it depends on the system kung makano yung magiging initial credit limit mo. Bakit iniwasan ko siya na legit naman siya at ano yung naging experience ko sa loan app na to guys? Then stick around and I'll share whatever I can share. So keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and of course we're always on the lookout for new loan platforms na as much as possible legit ha, kasi ayaw natin magka-problema. So when you guys requested na silipin ko tong si Love It by Junahan or ex Junahan, sabi ko, legit ba to? Kay WeFund ba talaga to? Or bakit Junahan? Yung pala, kapatid pala siya ni One Hand, and it's indeed under WeFund, and they confirm it kasi tinanong ko sila. But asking them kung legit o hindi doesn't mean na automatic akong na-approve. This video is not sponsored. It is based on my personal opinion. Sinubukan ko siya. And, guys, it's giving. Natakot akong subukan to guys dahil kaka-approve lang ako kay One Hand ng 20,000 pesos na credit limit. Ayoko kasing pinagsasabay-sabay ko yung lahat kong applications kasi yun po minsan kasi kung bakit tayo nare-reject. Oy, parang natatakot ako. Yung parang alam mo yung feeling na parang apply ako dito. Okay. I always have this fear na baka ma-reject ako sa experience ko dito kay WeFund. But due to your insistent demand, sinubukan ko siya. And most of you say na para siyang si Atome. Kaya mas lalo akong kinabahan, guys. Reject ako kay Atome. So, kaya dun, dinownload ko siya because it's available both sa Google Play Store and sa iOS. And, guys, didiretsuhin ko na kayo. Reject ako. Sabi ko na nga ba, sana hindi ko na muna sinubukan. But, meron pa akong alas. Subukan ko na ipag-a-apply si husband ko. Anyways, kapag na-reject ka kasi sa loan app na to, you can, try again after 30 days. Ang haba niyang kanyang process. And it doesn't mean that just because na-approve ako sa One Hand, it doesn't mean na ma-approve din ako dito sa kay Love It. Dahil meron po silang separate, ways of doing their credit checks and that. At dahil hindi naman ako yung tipong, KJ or Killjoy, isi-share ko sa inyo yung process kasi baka good luck, ma-approve kayo. Pinaghirapan ko talaga siyang applyan, guys, dahil legit siya. Okay, in chronological order. Inintay ko na officially i-launch siya. So, yung drama nito, meron siyang access card. It's like Atome, it's like Salmon Credit. Akala ko ma-approve ako dahil meron ako Salmon Credit. Guys, hihingi po siya ng permission na ma-track yung activity niyo across all. So, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-sign up, i-click mo yung sign up unless may account ka na. And then, magbibigay ka ng phone number mo and then you have to agree to the, yung i-check mong box. And then, pag-click mo ng sign up, magpapadala po siya ng OTP. And yung OTP ay nanggagaling kay Junahan. Hindi One Hand, but Junahan. Dahil, di ba, si Junahan is kapatid ni One Hand. Pagkatapos ng OTP, magsiset ka ng password. So, I did. Kapag ayaw niyang tanggapin yung password mo, it only means na hindi po yung match. Anyways, moving on, dapat mag-match siya. So, after I confirmed, hingi po siya ng access sa location, and then yun, 0% interest, yung mga ganong drama, and then up to 200,000 pesos na credit limit. But do not expect na 200,000 pesos ka kaagad. It depends on the system's credit assessment sa inyo, which can be different from one individual to another. And sad to say, reject po ako. Anyway, so ayun, kailangan mo i-allow yung mga permissions na hinihingi niya. And then when you're ready, click apply. Now, here's the thing. Nung nakita ko, guys, na trusted by leading brands, nung nakita ko si AUB, sabi ko, naku, patay. Baka hindi ako ma-approve nito. Dahil si AUB also works with Atome. And hindi ako approve. Naku naman, AUB, approve nga ako sa BDO na credit card, tsaka sa Security Bank, tsaka sa Metro Bank. But ayaw mo. Anyways, that's besides my point. Nagrarant lang ako, guys. And then, this is MasterCard. So, moving on, i-click mo yung apply today, and before you get started, meron siyang reminders na kailangan pipicturean mo yung card mo, and then make sure that your card is not expired. So, mag-a-agree ka sa loan terms and agreement, and it's gonna start with the ID. Yung IDs na tinatanggap niya includes UMID, National ID, SSS, Passport, and Driver's License, and pwede rin postal. For your reference, I use my driver's license and then pipicturean mo front and back. So talagang pinaghirapan ko talagang ganyan-ganyan talaga ako, guys. Making sure na hindi nanginginig yung kamay ko. Ano ba? And then next, and then just follow the instructions. And may mga nakaka-capture ng information, but for those information na hindi niya nakaka-capture, just make sure that you have filled it out. Hindi po pwede yung mga special characters. So kung may special characters yung pangalan mo, I think ito rin yung reason bakit hindi ako naka-approve sa iba. Yung dash na pangalan ko. Fill out the form completely para makapag-next po. And then hihingi po siya ng contact reference. Again, I gave them my spouses. I gave them my husband's reference. Same reference na binigay ko kay One Hand. So, next one is work information. No, sinabi ko sa nila, I'm self-employed and I gave them the name of my company, yung registered sa BIR because I pay my taxes, guys, and the address. And then work information, yung other work information, I gave it as well. I don't know if it's the address thing that's a problem, yung registered business address ko or yung house ko ngayon, because yung nasa ID ko, yung nasa driver's license ko ngayon is yung dati pang bahay namin, yung nire-rent namin before. I don't know, maybe that's the issue or maybe my credit history, the special character in my name, I don't know. So, pagkatapos nun mag-selfie ka, I did my best mag-selfie. And then card under review, sabi niya 3 business days, and then I suddenly got the text message saying na reject ako. Or I can come back and try again in 29 days. So, nakakatakot. Yung pinakamasakit sa lahat is nare-reject ka sa mga legit eh. Anyways, because legit naman siya, babalikan ko to 29 days later. Na-approve nga ako ulit sa One Hand after 3 years. Baka ito another 3 years din. So, yun guys, try nyo. Baka ma-approve kayo because it's a legit loan app and we want options. Now, for now, kung hindi kayo approve sa loan, sa facility na to, you can check my legit loan apps playlist kasi baka andun yung for now ay yung loan app na maaalagaan nyo. Or you can also check how I applied and got approved for credit cards in my credit cards and bank loans. But for now, yun lang yung masishare ko and I'll update you if finally ma-approve ako or whatnot. And I'll see you on my next vlog.